Just received the Monimoto 9 tracker. This is the mobile one which runs off a battery rather than wired into the mains of a bike. It's got a QR code to download the app and some basic setup instructions, and then we've got the actual tracker which you need to hide on the bike somewhere. There's some reusable tie wraps if you want to use them to keep it on. I think I might just put some Velcro on it, but we'll see when we look at fitting it to the bike. And the all important key fob. So the first thing to do is to put the thing on charge, and there's a little USB port in the end, and we'll plug that on charge. Light comes red. When it starts flashing, it means it's fully charged. So that is now fully charged. Next is to remove the tab from the battery, which is inside there, so we need to just open it using that little bit of a gap there. So after using a small screwdriver to release that. So with the case apart, you can see the tab, which we just need to pull off. That'll make the tracker, the remote, live. There we go, live. And that's just a normal CR2032 battery. And after making everything live and fully charged, download the Monimoto app and proceed with the setup on the phone. The Monimoto app. Sign in with the phone, probably the best way to do it. Verifying phone number. Enter the 6-digit code that we sent. Monimoto 9. That's done. That's done. That's done. We've priced and part, and we've firmly closed it until it clicks. Place the key fob very close to your phone. Phone number. It's a motorcycle. Next. Read the small print. I agree. Tony's Monimoto 9. Next. Allow to find. They'd be within 20 centimeters. That's the one. We'll add that one. Checking the SIM card. So it's got an international SIM card, which means this can be used in a lot of countries around the world, which is excellent if you tour like we do. It'll certainly cover you for most of Europe. I believe it's America as well, and well, there's a list on the website of places that it does cover, and I believe places where it doesn't cover. Right, we're registering device. Got it. Up and running, you can now hide it in your vehicle. Battery okay, notifications off. So we need to get the notifications on. Alarm notifications everywhere. Let's have a look. Complete your registration. We need your email. Right, as well. So settings. To change it, you have to connect through Bluetooth. Get close and tap connect. So for a motorcycle, regular update. So 1 day makes the battery last longer. Show location on regular location on reduces battery life. So we'll leave that until we need it. Keyfob's connected. Battery's 100%. Keep the maximum range. That's fine. Right, we're all set to go. We just need to hide the Monimoto on the bike now.